The best drones in 2022. It's amazing to think that a few years ago, camera drones were little more than novelty toys for gadget heads. Now they're a creative tool few photographers or filmmakers want to go without. There are choices for amateur and professional, offering a choice of creative angles and unique perspectives that simply wouldn't be possible with any other camera. Of course, the possibilities have always been exciting. What makes it practical? And what is the right choice? But before moving ahead, welcome back to our channel. Go down and click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 arrived in May 2022 and redefined what DJI was doing with the ultralight category. Prior to that point, neither of their offerings had any collision sensors, but with this launch, they not only added sensors in 3 directions, but created a new camera gimbal capable of turning to capture portrait images. At the same time, a new DJI RC's remote control became available, giving customers the choice of a model with a screen to save the fairly minimal fuss of connecting a phone. There will also be a choice of batteries, with a heavier long-life battery available in some markets, though this will push the take-off weight over the magic number. The message is clear. We're not going to let the weight restriction prevent creatives from achieving their goals. The only downside is the pricing is, inevitably, broadly comparable to similarly capable aircraft, like the Air 2, which came in at 570 grams. 2. DJI Air 2S. Non-camera devices with cameras on them, such as drones, tend to be held back by having annoyingly small sensors. So congratulations are due to DJI for sticking a 1-inch sensor in the DJI Air 2S, providing a significant upgrade in image quality and dynamic range compared to a lot of other drones on the market. They've done it before with the larger Mavic 2 Pro, but this was, theoretically, a step down the range. In truth, it was pulling the 1-inch sensor down the range to make room for an even bigger one in the Mavic 3 which followed. The Air 2S is much more compact than either Mavic 2 or 3 or any other drone with a 1-inch sensor. Just sit it next to a Phantom 4. The DJI FocusTrack intelligent subject tracking systems are also coming on apace, with active track and avoidance sensors giving the drone more nuanced control than ever over its own trajectory. It's a huge achievement how much fits into this drone's slim, redesigned chassis. 3. Skydio 2 Plus. Skydio, an American firm, was founded by MIT graduates who had also been involved in Google's Project Wing. As that heritage implies, it focuses on autonomy, which makes it a different beast to many on this list. In its cheapest configuration, it doesn't even come with a radio controller, relying instead on the excellent phone app and Wi-Fi. This limits it to 200 meters, 646 feet, range, but that is plenty for the aircraft to follow or even orbit someone, keeping them in frame and avoiding anything in the way. The Skydio 2 Plus can be extended with a radio beacon and traditional radio controller for longer range too, though even with just a phone, one of the most impressive features, the keyframe flights, can be planned and put into operation. This device and its app are truly built around the cinematography rather than the process itself, and that has a lot of appeal. It's even smart enough to remember to record video for you, easily forgotten, trust us. 4. DJI Mini 2. DJI defined compact quality camera drones as something which could appeal to and be understood by everyday consumers with the Mavic in 2016. But price, and more recently, weight limits kept some consumers away. Drones over 250 grams, or operating them, now require registration and a small fee in most countries. The Mavic Mini opens in new tab solved the weight issue in 2019, but the latest Mini 2 has taken that already miraculous design and souped it up so it can now attract more serious users too, but ones whose budgets can't manage 2022's DJI Mini 3 Pro opens in new tab. The airframe is stunningly light, yet is also the charger via the USB-C socket at the back. So that's one less thing when traveling light. It feels strong, and the camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that absorbs nearly all twists and turns in flight and can be tilted smoothly. Control is simple via the excellent new remote. The range is no longer a worry. Unlike with the predecessor, And the controller's battery can even top your phone up too. 5. Autel EVO Nano Plus. Autel does like to make people wait, announcing the EVO Nano months before it shipped. Nevertheless, they beat DJI to the punch when it came to collision sensors on an ultralight drone, and the subsequent arrival of the Mini 3 Pro will no doubt keep pricing under control too. Good news for those who want light drones with good features lists. Autel has also chosen to offer the Nano in two versions, a cheaper one with a 12.7mm sensor and the Nano Plus with 19.8mm. You'll pay for the larger sensor, but also get 48-megapixel images. In either case, the drone is light enough to stay under the registration rules in FAA airspace while being equipped with front, back, and base collision sensors. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. We will be right back with a new video. Until then, goodbye.